Hello everyone, myself Pavitra. I am here to present my AAT Tech Talk video of programming for problem solving using C. Now my topic is chef and spells. And in C we have 8 operators. Using these 8 operators we can solve any problem to any question. Now what is operator? The operators in C. Operators are symbols that help in performing operations of mathematical and logical nature. The classification of C operators are as follows. Now 8 operators. They are arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, conditional, and the last one is special operators. Now what is arithmetic operators? These operators are responsible for performing arithmetic or mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder of the division, increment and decrement. These arithmetic operators are two types. They are unary operators, binary operators. Now unary operators. This type of operator works with a single value of operand like plus plus and minus. Now binary operators. This type of operator works with two operands like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now second one, relational operators. When we want to compare the values of two operands, then relational operators are used. If we want to check that is one operand is equal to or greater than other operands, then we use greater than or equal to operator. Logical operators. Logical operators are used for true or false results. The table below lists out the logical operators used in C. Bitwise operators. These operators are used for bit level operations on the operands. The operators are converted first to bit level and then calculations are performed. Assignment operators. These types of operators are used to assign a value to a variable is known as assignment operators. Then conditional operators, also known as ternary operator. These are used for decision making. Syntax for conditional operators is expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Here represents the if condition. Next, special operators. Here are some special operators used in C. By using this problem, now we are going to solve a question. Chef has 3 spells. Their powers are A, B, and C respectively. Initially, Chef has 0 hit points, and if Chef uses a spell with power P, then his number of hit points increases by the P. Before going to sleep, Chef wants to use exactly 2 spells out of these 3 spells. Find the maximum number of hit points Chef can have using the spells. Explanation about the question. Since our goal is to maximize the number of hit points, it is optimal to use those spells with maximum powers as we need to take exactly 2 spells. Just take the maximum and second maximum power spell. In another way, our answer is just a maximum of a plus b, comma b plus c, comma c plus a. Now input format. The first line of the input contains a single integer t, denoting the number of test cases. The description of t test cases follows. The first and only line of each test case contains 3 space separated integers. They are a, b, and c. Now output format. For each test case, print a single line containing one integer, the maximum number of hit points. Constraints. 1 less than t less than 10 to the power of 4, 1 less than a, b, and c less than 10 to the power of 8. Subtask 100 points original constraints. Sample input 2, 4, 2, 8, 10, 14, 18. Sample output 12, 32. Explanation. For example, case 1, chef has 3 possible options. Use the first and second spell and have 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 hit points. Use the second and third spell and have 2 plus 8 is equals to 10 hit points. Use the first and third spell and have 4 plus 8 is equals to 12 hit points. Now hit points. Chef should choose the third option and choose the spells with power 4 and 8 to have 12 hit points. For example, case 2, chef should use the spells with power 14 and 18. Now solve the problem. Include stdio.h int main void int t scanf percentile d and t while t minus minus int a, b, c, x, y, z scanf percentile d and a and b and c. X is equal to a plus b, y is equal to b plus c, z equals to c plus a. If x greater than or equal to y and x greater than or equal to z, printf. Now int t scanf percentile d and t while t minus minus int a, b, c, x, y, z are variables. Now that variables values are store in scanf. Next, x is equal to a plus b, y is equal to b plus c, z equals to c plus a. If x greater than or equal to y and use the logic and x greater than or equal to z, now print these variables on output screen. Else, if y greater than or equal to x and y greater than or equal to z, printf percentile d, y. Else printf percentile n or z, return 0. Now we score 100%. Subtask score is equal to 100%. Thank you.